Hello, welcome once again. In this continuing lecture or this video, this video is the continuation of our series of speed optimization for a WordPress website. However, in this video, we are not going to start with speed optimization. Rather, we are going to take a backup of our existing WordPress website as a fail-safe measure. If anything goes wrong during the process, although I assure you that most of the issues can be solved quite easily, and if you follow each and every step as I tell you in the upcoming videos, there shouldn't be any problem, that I can give you assurance. However, and even the minor issues which comes up, for example, if we install some plugin and the site starts to break, what we can do is just disable the plugin and the problem would be solved readily. However, in this video, what I'm going to do is take a complete backup of your WordPress website, and I want you to follow along with me. Do as I do, as it will help you create a backup of your WordPress website in your laptop or desktop, so that in the event of an some circumstances where your website breaks completely and you're not able to log into your backend or the cPanel as well, you can easily retrieve your website, recover your website with this backup. Also, this video will also teach you, as taking a backup, I'll show you how you can migrate a WordPress website from a one WordPress website to another WordPress website. For example, if you are going to change hosting, what you need to do is take a complete backup of your existing WordPress website and then upload it on the new hosting. So this video not only will teach you how you can take a backup of your website, but also it will teach you how you can easily migrate one WordPress website to another one. Alright, so yeah, I'll just tell you that if you haven't subscribed, we are going to cover a complete series of videos. I'm going to make a complete series of videos where I'm going to teach you each and every steps you need to know for speed optimization of a WordPress website. Not only speed, but also what you call is optimization of a WordPress website. That's how a WordPress website should be. If it is your website or your client, these videos are going to be helpful. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, as you get new notification as soon as I upload new videos. Alright, let's start with the process. I'm on my domain digitalshakib.tech, and this is the Astra template which I have imported to teach you about everything about speed optimization. But how we are going to take a backup? First, we'll go to the admin of this website, and then we need to install two plugins. Rather, one plugin and one extension or the pro version of that. So now you are going to ask me how are we going to purchase the pro version? No, I'll tell you step by step how you can get the free version and the pro version at absolutely no cost at all. So hover over plugins and go to add new. This is the website which we are going to make a backup. Also, I'm going to show you how you can, in the event of a disaster, how you can recover your website. So for example, this is my website. So first, let's take a backup of this website in my local disk or local hard drive. So hover over to plugins, go to add new and search for all-in-one WP migration. Just write all in, I think it would show up. The first thing, all-in-one WP migration by Serve Mask. This is the plugin, this is the free version of the plugin which we need to install on our website. So I have already installed and activated it, as you can see, but you will need to install and activate it. This is the first plugin which we require. However, this plugin in its free version has certain limitation. It allows for import of files up to, I guess, 512 MB, and I'm not pretty sure about that, but there are some restrictions. Although my website would surely be less than 512 MB, but still I'm giving the pro version to you for free of cost because your website may be more than 512 MB. So this is the first plugin which we need to install and activate, and this is the free version. For the pro version, it is the extension of this free plugin. So you need to have both the plugins, the free version and the pro version. So first install this plugin and then hover again to add new. Install and activate this plugin, correct? Hope I'm clear. Then again add new plugin, and this time the pro version is obviously not there for free in WordPress repository. Rather, you will find a link in the description of this video from where you can easily download the pro version or the unlimited extension version for absolutely no cost at all, and that is GPL licensed. To know about GPL license, you can refer to my other videos. However, I can assure you that it is 100% virus free and you wouldn't have any problem with that plugin. So hover over to add new and let's upload the plugin. So go to choose file and select the file which I have given you. Just select the file. It would be a zip file. Just select it and click install now and activate. When you are done, as I have already installed, when you are done, hover over to installed plugins and check whether the two plugins have been installed correctly or not. This is the two plugins. These are the two plugins. One is the all-in-one WP migration. This is the free version, and the all-in-one unlimited extension. Though I don't have the updated version, but I may soon upload the updated version for you all. However, the older version does the work perfectly. So these two plugins are a prerequisite, although the extension only is required when you are importing, but I'm going to make life easier for you and I'm giving you the two plugins. So it makes me it makes the work simple for me to make you understand. Install two plugins here, install two plugins in your new WordPress website, and then it would be easy for us. When you have installed these two plugins, there would be a tab called all-in-one WP migration. Just hover over it and go to export. What we are going to do, this plugin export the complete WordPress website including the database. I personally don't know of any plugin, and that includes the duplicator plugin, that is so easy to work with. You don't have to create any database as in duplicator. You just need to export from here and it exports the complete WordPress website including the database as well. So just go to export and here you will find export to and just click on file. It gives you a variety of options where you can export your WordPress website. But as of now, I'm going to export to it as a file. Fine. This export will take some time. In the meantime, I'll show you. Let me get to the back end of this thing. Give me a minute. This website is you can find this exported version in your file manager. When you go to cPanel, go to plugins and you'll find AW all-in-one WP migration, and there you will find the exported file. However, when this process is complete, as you can see, this thing is blinking called download this website, and it is just 57 MB because I have just uploaded a new template on the new website. So it's a small website, but for you it may be larger, for it may be smaller. When you click on download digitalshakib.txt, the download starts and you get to download. For example, if I click here, the download automatically starts and it tells me where I need to save the file. However, I have to reduce the time of this video. I have already downloaded this file, and this is digitalshakib.txt. This is .wpress. I need to tell you the extension of this file should be .wpress, that is the WordPress extension. So this file is very important for you, so do save it in a good place so you can find it easily when anything goes wrong. Once you have completed the export process, your backup is complete. Your backup is complete. You don't need to do anything. But as a precautionary measure, as a step ahead, I'm going to show you, for example, what if anything goes wrong for your website, be it my speed optimization technique, or you're doing anything. What if you're going to migrate one WordPress website to another? Half of the step is complete. Half of the steps are done. We have already exported. What now? This is a new domain. This is my staging area. You don't need to worry about that. Just open and install. For example, you are on new hosting. You have changed to new hosting. Install WordPress on the new hosting. Obviously, you would need to change the name servers first. There are alternatives, but for simpler usage, you change the name servers, you install WordPress on the new hosting, and then go to plugins, add new, and again install both the plugins on the new WordPress installation. Here I have just the two plugins installed and activated, and those two plugins are the same plugins, the all-in-one WP migration and the extension, which I'll be giving you, and you'll find the link in the description below. Once installed and activated, since we have exported from the existing website in the new website but natural, we have to import. So go to all-in-one WP migration and click on import. When you go to import, you can see maximum upload file size is unlimited. If you are using just the free version, the maximum upload size would be around 500 MB. So with the pro version, you get the unlimited extension, and that is why you need to have both the plugins installed. Now click on import from and go to file. Choose the file. Choose the file which you have created as a backup. For me, this is the file. As soon as I press enter or OK, the import process starts. It may take a little while, but I think we are going to wait for this because it's just 57 MB, and I don't think it will take much of a time. The process is taking a little, because I'm on staging area, it may be a little slow. So maybe I'll skip this process. But this is the thing you have to do. When some disaster happens, you need to import the file you exported. This process will complete 100%, and it will say if you have exported properly, this will surely complete to 100%, and it will say this process started. Maybe we should wait for this to complete so I can show you the complete website. This is the website which we have exported, as I have already told you, and this website should be the complete thing. Actually, one more thing, when you are installing WordPress on existing WordPress website or the new hosting website where you are migrating to, I want you to make life things easier for you, just choose the username and the password same as that of the existing WordPress website, because the database is also imported, so you may have problem logging in. So it's better to choose the username and the password of the new WordPress installation same as that of the existing WordPress installation. Okay, shall we wait, or I'm not pretty sure. It may take a little while, but I'm pretty sure that this will complete to 100%, and my website, this staging area website, will look 100% exactly the same as this my existing digitalshakib.tech website. It's taking a while, 26%. It will take, let it happen. But in the meantime, what I want to show you is that this is the complete process. That is the complete process how you make a backup of a WordPress website, and you don't need to create any database from the cPanel or anywhere else as you have to do with Duplicator plugin. This is the beauty of this plugin. I personally have migrated websites or taken backups for at least 30 to 40 websites, 30 to 35 websites, and this has worked to, it has 100% efficiency, has worked to perfection all the time and have never disappointed me, and I prefer it over all the plugins. You have the Pro version. Many people won't use this plugin because it has limitation, but I'm giving you the Pro version for free. Just do me a favor, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and press the bell icon as well. Okay, maybe I'll forward this video for you and I'll show you that yes, we can, when we get 100% of this part, we have installed this completely. Alright, when the import process completes to 100%, it will ask you whether you want to overwrite. Since this is our new WordPress installation and overwriting the files shouldn't be a problem, we'll click proceed. Once that is done, it will take 2-3 minutes to overwrite the files, and then you get this message: your site has been imported successfully. Just click on finish and let's check this website whether it looks exactly the clone copy of our existing WordPress installation. As you can see, compare these two websites, they look exactly the same. However, when you are logging into the new WordPress website, do use the password. That's why I tell you, choose username and the password same as that of the existing WordPress website. This is the complete procedure. You need to know how you can create two things you have learned today nicely. One, to create a backup in your local drive, how to create the complete backup, and in case of a disaster or your site breaking up and you're not able to recover, just do a fresh installation of WordPress and just upload this file, the backup file, and your website would be up and running. Also, this video teaches you how you can migrate from one WordPress installation to another one. Hope you like this video. Please comment your doubts in the comment section and I'll respond as I always do. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.